How to make all YouTube videos unlisted at once. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube Studio. Make sure you're logged into your account. After you're logged into YouTube Studio and your account, here on the left side, click on Content. After you click on Content on the left side, you will find all your videos. And at the top of all the videos, click on the box, which is beside video. It will select all your videos. Now click on Edit at the top. After you click on Edit, it will give different options. Click on Visibility. After you click on Visibility in here, select Private. And here, click on Unlisted. After you click on Unlisted in here, select Update Videos at the top right corner of your screen. It will update all your videos and everything will be unlisted. This is how to make all YouTube videos unlisted at once. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.